Walmart jeans are having a moment. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 5+ ways to style 3 pairs of jeans from Walmart's fashion new arrivals. In this video, I'm styling them both casual and a little bit dressed up so that you can see how versatile these jeans are. They're affordable. They're also mom-friendly outfits that are totally wearable. So if you're looking for outfit ideas for drop-off, weekends, errands, or even date night, then this try-on is for you. As always, all the items are going to be linked down below in the description. You can also find it on the first pinned comment. And if you're watching on your TV or tablet and you have your handy dandy phone available, I will have this QR code on the screen that you can scan and it will take you straight to all the product links that I'm going to be featuring in this video. It just makes it a little bit easier for you to shop. Also want to remind you guys that YouTube just came out with a new feature. It's called Hype. If you're watching this video in the first 7 days that it's been uploaded and you're enjoying this content, then go ahead and hit that Hype button. Basically, it just pushes me out to more viewers. You can also share it with your subscriber and friends as well. I'm trying to build this community of women who just love affordable fashion that looks good, is wearable, versatile. So if that is you and your friends, then definitely hype me up. Now you might be hearing Max throughout this video. He is like literally an arm's length away. He has been very vocal lately and the boy's a little chatty Cathy, okay? So I cannot stop him. So again, you might hear him throughout. He's just, you know, having a grand old time. So let's get started with the first outfit is actually these free assembly jeans. I love these jeans. Like if there's like a brand that I had to steer you to, if you're looking for great jeans that are like made really nicely, are super affordable. I mean, I'm talking like less than $30 and they look so high end, it's definitely free assembly. They just know how to do jeans right. So these are the wide leg jeans. They have these 2 patch pockets right in the front. You can get these in 3 different inseams. So they have a short, a full, and a long, which is a 30-inch, 32-inch, and a 34-inch inseam. So definitely take a look at those measurements prior to purchasing. I got this one in a size 8. I feel like it just fits perfectly. I would definitely recommend check out that sizing guide on the product page as well, just so you can see the measurements and how they compare to your body composition. This pair comes in 3 different washes. I got it in the Obsidian wash, which is a darker wash. I feel like dark wash jeans just elevate any outfit. Even if you're going for a casual look, it still looks a lot more elevated. And also I feel like dark washes are just look better in the fall and winter than a light wash. A light wash I like to reserve more for like spring and summer. So I really love this one. I got it in the full size. I'm 5'6" for size reference. I paired it with actually this cardigan, which I shared this one in my last video, which I will go ahead and link here for you to check out. I had a couple of like holiday sweaters there. And this was one of them. I love this one. This one's like less than $20. This one's a cute little festive sweater. It has like these little green peppermints as the buttons and it has like a snowflake print throughout. But I just loved the way that these paired. Now the jeans are actually a high-waisted jean and the sweater is a little bit more on the crop side. They meet perfectly, like they're not going to be showing any midriff. You could definitely layer like a nice little tank underneath if you'd like to. Again, it is obviously very low V cut. So if you wanted to keep it a little bit more modest, you can always add a little cami underneath. And I paired it with my Scoop heels, which I also shared in my last video. These are so good. About fell out my chair when I found out these are from Scoop. These are stunning. Okay, so I got the gold ones. They come in red and there's also a black. The red one's gorgeous. If you're looking for something that's a little bit more festive, really more leaning Christmas, then I think you'll really love the red ones. But I like this gold one. I think it's just more versatile for the styles that I like to wear. So this one just looks so good. I love this oversized bow on the toe. I don't know what it is with me and bows, but lately bows on shoes is a must. Like, that's an immediate like add to cart moment for me. Want to dress this down, you can swap the heels for some clogs. Now I know clogs are an acquired taste. Not everybody loves them, y'all. I used to be one of you, but then they grew on me, okay? And I really, really like them. I mentioned in one of my previous videos, clogs are like my summer sandals because I need something that I can just slip on and go, okay? I'm constantly on the run. Sometimes I don't want to deal with shoelaces, okay? So clogs are it. I styled it with the clogs and then swapped this cardigan, which is a little bit more festive, a little more like, you know, dressed up with this other cardigan from Amazon. This one is so cute. I love the horizontal stripes. To me, a horizontal stripe is a little bit more dressed down. But I love the pop of color on the cuffs of the sweater. This one comes in different colors as well, but I really like this one because it has a little bit of that burgundy. Also because we have really mild winters here in the South. This is basically like a winter outfit here. Like just wear some closed-toe shoes and like, you know, a little bit more coverage up top and you're good to go. Okay, this next pair is easily probably one of my new favorite ones. This one's from No Boundaries, so this is more of a junior brown, so that keep that in mind whenever we're talking about sizing, okay? We'll get into that in a little bit. But these are less than $20, guys, okay? These are amazing. I love this because it's a little bit different. It has these studs on the front. They're not in the back, but they're just on the front, but they're very subdued, but yet like when the light hits it, you just have a little shimmer, okay? When you walk into the room, you're gonna be shimmering, okay? So I got these in a size 8. I think they fit perfectly. They have a 31.5-inch inseam, and again, I'm 5'6", so keep that in mind when you're looking at the video. For the elevated outfit, I did pair it with a kitten heel, and I feel like it's a perfect height for the jean. And again, we talked about the bows on the toes. Yeah, these have it. And unfortunately, these I think are sold out. These are from Target. I bought these last year, but I'll link some similar ones down below to go with this outfit. Another thing about the jeans, unlike the Free Assembly, which is a high-waisted jean, these are, I would say, a mid-rise jean. So these actually hit me right below the belly button. And as a millennial, yes, I am so traumatized by low-rise jeans. And I would not consider these like true low-rise jeans. I would say they're more of a medium rise, but again, very comfortable. Look, we're not gonna talk about low-rise jeans in this channel, okay? It's not something I'm wanting to relive, okay? But yeah, these are very nice. Paired it with this other cardigan from Walmart. I also shared this one. I love this one because it's a cable knit. So again, it's like perfect for winter, very holiday-ish. You can also get it in red. They have a white and a black as well. I really like this cardigan because it has these really like standout buttons. They're shimmery and they're kind of like in the shape of a snowflake. So it just looks really festive. So if you're wanting to dress up your outfit, I think you're gonna be like super sparkly and beautiful in this outfit. Now, if you wanna dress it down, you can definitely swap out the mules for a sneaker. I actually paired it here with these Converse lookalikes. I got these from Walmart last year and they're perfect. It's very streamlined. It's not too busy. It is a high top and it does have a platform, which I think just looks very like fresh and just very casual and sporty. And then I paired it with this Sherpa jacket from Amazon. This one comes in different colors as well, but I really like this white one. I just feel like it just gave it a pop. You know, it kind of matched the shoes. Now, usually I don't recommend wearing something very full up top when you have a wide leg jean, just because you got a lot of volume going on. But this one actually works really well because the bottom of the jacket is actually cinched in. There is an elastic, so it's kind of gonna give you that waist. So even though it's a Sherpa jacket, it's a little bit fuller, it does come in a little bit at the waist. It gives you that waist, and then it has the wide leg jeans. So the wide leg jeans are not super exaggerated either. I would say they're a mix between a wide leg and like a straight jean. So just a really nice silhouette. I think it looks very fresh. And even though it's a casual look, it still looks a little bit more elevated. This jacket is so good. It's very fluffy. It also would look great for any like active wear that you're gonna be wearing this winter. You're gonna be headed out to the gym. This will be a great jacket to pair. I actually wore this to the gym actually yesterday. The jacket's actually on sale right now for less than $30, and I'm wearing a size medium. Next, I have these jeans from Jessica Simpson. These are the barrel jeans. And if you checked out my last video, I was talking about how I was not a fan of barrel jeans. Like that was like, when they first came on the scene, I was like, absolutely not. But let me tell y'all, they grew on me. Especially love this style from Jessica Simpson because it's not an exaggerated barrel silhouette, which I love. It's just like very minimal. So it looks really nice. I fell for this wash. Now they do have other washes. There's a blue denim. They had this really pretty like leopard one, but it's sold out in my sizes. But this one, I think it's perfect for this holiday season. It has a little bit of shimmer. Even though it says it's whitewash, to me, it comes off a little bit more creamish, like beige. And it also has like this goldish shimmer throughout. So it's just, just a little bit more festive. So I paired it with the scoop heels with the bow. I think that look, they just pair really well together. And then I added on a cable knit sweater. This one is from Scoop. I love this one. One sweater I recommend that you have in your winter wardrobe is gonna be a chunky cable knit sweater. Bonus points if it's a little bit oversized, longer tunic style, because they look great with leggings. If you're still in your leggings era, which I know I am, I like to wear the leggings, but I want something that's gonna cover up my bottom portion. So a tunic like this, which is a little bit longer, is perfect. Now, with this outfit, in order to elevate it, I actually did a little bit of a front side tuck. So you could definitely do a front tuck just to accentuate the waist, because this sweater is a little bit more oversized. So in order to accentuate that waist, I did a little bit of a tuck. Now not only is that accentuating the waist, but it's also given a little bit of like movement to the sweater. It's not just like the sweater's not just falling down, like there's like, it's cascading almost. So again, it just elevates the outfit. It makes it look like you put a lot of effort. It makes your affordable Walmart outfit look very expensive. Now, in order to dress down this outfit, I went ahead and swapped the cable knit sweater and did a little layering. So underneath I have my fitted scoop shirt. This one's like $8. I have it in black and white because it's just a good layering piece to have. And then I topped it off with this Sherpa jacket from Amazon. So this one I got in this like almost like huntery mossy green, which I think is beautiful, especially for the fall and winter season. It comes in other colors as well, but I love this green because it adds a little bit of color into my wardrobe. For the shoes, I swapped out the heels for the clogs, okay? These brown clogs are from Walmart, and I know clogs, not everybody loves them, okay? But again, it's just a casual outfit that you could throw on and go, like very comfortable. Now, if you're needing a little bit more coverage, okay, you could definitely swap out the clogs for some ankle boots. Now, the thing about boots, listen, these barrel jeans are more ankle length. So if you're gonna pair it with an ankle boot, just please make sure that that shaft is covered by the jean. That's the one thing. If the shaft is too low and it's not covered by the bottom of the jean, it's just gonna look a little off. It's gonna like kind of cut off your leg. But if you have a slimmer boot like these are just Chelsea boots. They are not super chunky either, but they have a slim shaft. These are gonna pair really well with ankle jeans. Don't like the boots, you could definitely put like a low profile sneaker. Those will look great with barrel jeans as well. But the one tip that I have is definitely with the boots. Please make sure that the shaft is covered by the jean. A bonus outfit idea, you can swap out the barrel jeans for the free assembly wide leg jeans, and that looks great as well. Because it is wider and you have this wider jacket up top, because you are layering underneath a more fitted top, it still looks great. You can leave it a little bit open, again, weather permitting, and that way you can show off that waistline. And also helps with the proportions because the jeans are high-waisted. So I had to wear this outfit to go take a change of clothes to my child. The elementary school called and she had fell in a puddle during recess. So I had to run over a new pair of pants. And this is the exact outfit that I used to take those jeans to her school. And again, super comfortable. I'm like walking, getting Max in and out of the car. It was just a very comfortable outfit. And then of course it was like 50 degrees and I felt great. I had my clogs, the jeans, and my jacket, and I was like perfect. But again, so many different styling capabilities. And again, you don't have to spend a lot to look great. I really hope you enjoyed these elevated, affordable, mom-friendly wearable styles. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment the peak heart emoji so that I know that you stuck it out with me all the way through the end. I want to start doing a little bit more styling videos so I can show you different ways to style some of the items in the hauls that I've been sharing. Again, don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that hype button as well so to push me out to more viewers. I can hear Max getting a little bit restless down here, so I really hope you enjoyed this one. Also, if you're looking for more Walmart finds, don't forget to check out this video next. I have this sweaters included in there, and I'm also sharing a few other holiday fashion finds. I also have some home decor on there, as well as some gift ideas. So definitely check this one out next. I hope y'all have a wonderful day and we'll chat soon. Bye.